what we're going.
Hey guys, Bubbles Airsoft here. Thank you for tuning in to my first ever YouTube video. This footage is from my trip to Dogtag Airsoft near Crawley with the rest of my teammates. The first game is elimination, where each team had a set amount of lives. The first to reduce the other team to 0 were the winners. Enjoy!
Straight to the right in the helicopter, there's somebody in there.
Guys, come on,
This is my battle buddy Tex.
I got shot before. Yeah, them guys on. Do you want to talk it?
This is my teammate Tinder, and for some reason he's dismantling his gun in the middle of a game. Who knows? Bye. This is my younger brother Harry, and this is his first airsoft game.
One on the right, there's one on the left.
He's under, he's right
There he is.
That's a hit, come on.
Yes! Fucking got him.
That was easy.
Mate, I shot him at 20 times. He would have been out anyway. Fuck him back.
At this point, I thought it'd be a great idea to fall flat on my face, apparently. This is Chili, my fellow Slady.
Oh my.
And this is my other half, Airsoft Duck. Thanks very much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. It will really help me grow my channel. Thank you.